spread the word and to share the good deed. So thank you again, Pia. So this year's Love Gala wouldn't be possible without the graciousness of the city of Taguig. The Youth Center will play a key role in offering youth-focused health services, providing a comprehensive, empowering environment where young individuals can thrive. But it needs a host, a space where it can rise. And that's why we love Taguig. Doctors Norina and Dewey, can you guys please expound on the significant contribution of the city of Taguig to this endeavor?
Good afternoon. From us, the city of Taguig, we are very thankful that one of Mayor Lanis Cayetano's long-standing advocacy is on HIV/AIDS. So we are really implementing through our Taguig Social Hygiene Clinic this program, and we are very proactive, very innovative, and very Gen Z. Talagang, kasi diba, the youth is our pag-asa ng bayan. We have to keep them healthy. So we have to provide them a safe space and environment. So any future partnership that can improve the program, the HIV program, is welcome in our cities. That's why we are very thankful to our kapwa Taguigueños, Vin, Dr. Vin, and Ms. Pia for this partnership, because Taguig will be hosting the Love Gala this year. And about the Youth Center, we are also very grateful because Pia chose Taguig as the beneficiary. So we will incorporate and we will collaborate with our other award-winning health programs here in Taguig: the nutrition, anti-tobacco smoking, anti-vaping, teenage pregnancy, mental health, as well as HIV, to keep our youth healthy so that sa future they will be leading us to a more progressive city and country.